Welcome to class. Grab your book and pen and get ready to learn.
This is modular multiplication. Complete the table of multiplication below in modulo 3. Let us do the multiplication. We will go one after the other. This point is the intersection of 0 and 0. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 is within the range of modulo 3. So I will write 0. 0 times 1 is 0. So that is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 4 is also 0. We are done filling that space. Let's start with 1. 1 with times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So I'll write 2. It's within the range. 1 times 3 is 3. In modulo 3, I should not have any digit up to the modulo or more than 8. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 is the same thing as saying 1 times 3 plus 0. The remainder is 0. That means 1 times 3 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. So I'll write 0. I hope you understand that. 1 times 4 is 4. But because this is mode 3, 4 is already more than the mode. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 in mode 3 is 1 times 3 plus 1. 1 is the remainder. So that is what I will write here. Let's go to 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. I won't write 4 because 4 is more than the modulo. 4 in modulo 3 is equivalent to 1. 4 is equivalent to 1 in mode 3. So I will write 1. 2 times 3 is 6, which is the same thing because of the modulo. That is 2 times 3 plus 0. That means 6 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. So I'll write 0. 2 times 4, that is 8. 8 is equivalent to 2 times 3 plus 2, which makes 8 equivalent to 2 in mode 3. So I'm going to write 2 here. 3 times 0 is 0. I'll write 0. 3 times 1 is 3. In mode 3, 3 is equals to 1 times 3 plus 0, meaning that 3 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. So I have 0 here. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 in mode 3 is 2 times 3 plus 0. So 0 is the equivalent of 6 in mode 3. So I'll write 0. 3 times 3, 9. 9 in mode 3 is equivalent to 3 times 3 plus 0. So the equivalence of 9 in mode 3 is 0. So I'll write 0. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 in mode 3. That is 4 times 3 plus 0. 4 times 3 plus 0 is 12. The equivalence of 12 in mode 3 is 0. So I'll write 0. Do you notice a pattern? That the multiples of a modulo are equivalent to 0 in the modulo. 3 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. 6 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. 9 is equivalent to 0 in mode 3. 12 also is equivalent to 0 in mode 3 because all these 3, 6, 9, 12 are multiples of 3. Let's go to the next one, which is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 in mode 3 is 1 times 3 plus 1, giving us that one as it is its equivalence, 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in modulo 3 is 3 times 2 plus 2, giving me 2 as the equivalence. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 in modulo 3 is 4 times 3 plus 0. The equivalence is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. In modulo 3, 16 is going to be 5 times 3 plus 1. 5 times 3 plus 1. So that one is the equivalence of 16 in modulo 3. And with that, we have been able to completely fill this table of modular multiplication. These are more examples. Simplify 6 times 9 mode 5 and 60 times 9 mode 11. Solution. Six times 9 is 54. 54 can be expressed in terms of the modulo as 10 times 5 plus 4. 4 is the remainder. That means 6 times 9 is equals to 54, which is equivalent to 4 in mode 5. The second one, we have 60 times 9 in modulo 11. 60 times 9 is 540. 540 in modulo 11 can be expressed using the mode as 49 times 11. 49 times 11 is 539. So plus 1. Plus 1. Giving us 60 times 9 equals to 540, which is equivalent to 1 in mode 11. Go ahead and do this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting lessons.